Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Catherine with The Perfect Place to Start, and today I'm going to be doing a kind of fun video for you. I'm going to be making over my front porch area. This is part of my Thrifted Thursday series, and today my partner is living my best life with Lisa Marie. She does some of the most amazing farmhouse DIYs. She is the sweetest person and one of my lovely friends on YouTube, so make sure you go down and check out her video for today's Thrifted Thursday as well. Her link will be down in my description box. So here's the before picture of my front porch. It definitely needed a makeover. I'm going to kind of take you through the process of this video, and I come in and out just giving you kind of updates as I go through the video. So these bar stools is what I'm going to start with, and they came from Habitat for Humanity. I paid $13 for both of them. I'm just giving a good sanding to the bar stools, and then I'm using this driftwood stain that I picked up at Dollar General over in their craft section. I'm using a paintbrush from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just painting on one coat over the entire bar stool, all the rings and underneath. And I do both bar stools. Welcome to a normal day in New Mexico with the wind. So I just finished the bar stools, and I really do like the color. So that was the stain that I got from Dollar General. It's called Driftwood. I'll take a picture, put it in here. I'm going to show you guys what it ended up looking like right here. But I don't know. I mean, I'm liking the tops of it. The bottoms, they didn't take all of the stain on some of the parts of the wood, but I don't know. It gives it a cool look. So we're going to let it dry. Let the hubby see it and see what he thinks and see if we need another coat, and we'll move on to the chair project next. So these chairs were gifted to me. They are wooden like lounge chairs or outdoor patio chairs, and so this red chair had been weathered and needed a good sanding. So I go over the entire red chair to get any kind of rough spots and any other areas that needed to be sanded down. This yellow chair was in much better shape and seemed to have a different type of paint finish on it. I did go over it just quickly with one sanding. Not much of the paint was coming off. So and then I'm using my Platinum Ring chalk paint that came from Walmart, and I'm just going to go ahead and paint both chairs, the entire chair. So here's the update. It's been a long day. Anyway, I ran out of paint, so I had missed the underside here, and for some reason this one seemed to need 2 coats and the red one only really seemed to need 1 coat. So anyway, I had to run back to Walmart to get some more paint. But I am ready to finish this up, and then I have one other DIY project to do for this front porch makeover. I had some baskets. I'll show you guys those in a little bit, but I had some baskets, and they have seen better days, and so I'm going to paint them white, and I'll show you that process here in a little bit. I realized I didn't show you the before picture of my bar stools, but I did show you guys what it looked like with the 1 coat of the driftwood stain from Dollar General. I am really liking it more as it sits in there. I love the top of the bar stools. I don't know. I did sand all of the bar stools, but for some reason some of the stain didn't take to like parts of the legs, but it gives it a really cool whitewash look, and so I'm gonna go with it. It was husband approved. So anyway, so I'm gonna finish this up with these chairs, and then I'll show you guys the process of the baskets and painting those white, and then we're ready to put the whole front porch back together. Can't wait. All right, sorry it is super loud and obnoxious out here in my front yard. The trash man is going by. But I am finished with the chairs, and I am ready to for real. Anyway, it was recycling day today, and so I thought he was done. Anyway, so I'm ready to move on to the last project for the front porch makeover. And the last project was the baskets. I told you guys I had some baskets that were kind of left over from another project, and so here they are. They're kind of seen better days. These are just some baskets that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I don't think I'm gonna use these smaller ones, but I am, you guys even see that, I'm gonna use these were for some mums that I got from Walmart a few years ago, and I saved them and I've been using them. And then I also have these baskets. So as you can see, these baskets are in pretty bad shape, but I wanted to try and recycle them. So I'm going to use some white spray paint, give them a new look, and then I'm going to add the final plants and everything, and I will take you guys along that journey as I decorate the porch. But I'm hoping you're following me. I'm hoping you're having fun. This has been kind of a long day and a long kind of makeover, but I'm super excited to see the final reveal. So anyway, let's get back to the video. So I'm using my favorite spray paint, the Rust-Oleum white flat spray paint that has the primer in it, and I am going to spray these baskets with just one coat of this spray paint. I told you guys earlier, I live in New Mexico. It's so windy here, as you can see in the video. My spray paint is going everywhere. So anyway, I do go ahead and cover the entire basket with my one coat, and you are going to be totally amazed when you see what these baskets look like with just one coat of this spray paint. I was pretty amazed at just like the new look that it gave the basket. So anyway, buy the spray paint. It's amazing. Alright guys, so I am ready to go ahead and start putting everything back into the space, and I'm going to go ahead and take you guys along that journey. So let's check out how it finally turns out. So to start with, I just take a broom and I'm sweeping off this front porch area. I do have this table that I decided to leave there, and this table was also gifted to me by a friend. So I am putting my chairs back in. Look at how beautiful they look in that platinum rain color. I got this tablecloth from Walmart. It's just a plastic tablecloth. I thought it would add some really nice color to the front porch. I put my bar stools out with the baskets, and I'm adding my ferns that I got from Walmart. They were $12.88 each, and then I also have some hanging baskets that are hanging up in the top. So here are some before and afters of my DIYs today. The plant stands, I just really loved the color and how they turned out. And the chairs, I couldn't be happier. That platinum ring, I have a lot of furniture painted in that color. It just happens to be one of my very favorite colors of chalk paint. So, and these baskets, I can't believe just one coat of that Rust-Oleum spray paint gave them a whole new life. So thank you guys for coming along on this journey with me. I had a lot of fun making this video, and I thought it would be fun to kind of do it in a vlog style so that you could kind of follow the journey with me. Let me know what you think about the makeover, and if you liked this kind of video style. I had fun doing it, so if you'd like to see more videos like that, let me know down below. And don't forget to go check out Living My Best Life with Lisa Marie. She is such a sweet person, and I would love her to know that you went over and checked out her video today. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you guys in the next video.